if you are trying to create a 360 image from a normal image, you are in the right place. First, you go to 3D and click on spherical panorama, and then press new panorama image from selected layer. As you can see, it has converted the normal image into a 360 image, and it's really looking nice, except the edges. You see that the edge is really obvious that this image is being stitched together. So all we need to do now is to try our best to make that look realistic. Now there are two methods to this. You can either use the selection tool and then fill it with the content aware filter. But this content aware filter is an animated filter which will make it obvious that this video is being manipulated. So the best thing to do is just to do it manually. So that's why I use the clone tool. And the clone tool might be a little bit hard. At least that's the best way to get by this kind of process.
I just wanna run, hide it away, run because they're chasing me down. I just wanna run, throw it away, run before they're finding me out. I just wanna run. I just wanna run, I'm out here all alone. I try to call your house, can't reach you on the phone. I'll gather up the nerve, I'm packing up my bag. It's more than you deserve, don't treat me like a drag.
Now when it comes to the sky, you have to try your best not to make only one side go to the other side. Like for example, this cloudy side, you cannot just add the cloudy side like from the right to the left. It will be obvious that you've edited this. Now all you have to do is just to make some side go to the left, and then the next part of it come to the right. You understand? Like from right to left and then left to right. So that will make it look much more realistic. All the game we are trying to play here is just to make this thing look more realistic. Even though my system is a bit slow, but you can still get this done even with a 4 GB RAM system. So
they're chasing me down. I just wanna run, throw it away, run before they're finding me out.
now when it comes to the upper part of it, because this is the tricky part, all you have to do is just to make your brush bigger, like a lot bigger, to cover up the edge, because this is the exact edge of the image. So now I'm trying to use the clone tool to correct the error down there. Now, as you can see, I'm struggling with this part that I created with the content aware. So all I'll do right now is just to try to make it look a bit more appealing before I copy and paste another section of the image.
I got commitment issues, but I'm trying to fix that for you. If I can't afford that bag that you want, then I will lick that for you. I wanna be there for you. I knew that the day I saw you. Too many times we argue, sorry for all of the names I called you. Should've never called you a bitch, but I did, now you're pissed trying to cut my clothes. Should've deleted that text and you wouldn't have known that I fucked those hoes. Don't act like you care how I feel, don't act like you care how I feel, you don't. Don't like how you act so spoiled, you start move back when I tell you no. But I wanna make it known, I gotta take my time with love, so we gotta take it slow. I'm not used to this type of stuff, but I can still make you moan. Anytime that you want, I can lay that. You wait on the day that I say that I love you too, but I just can't say that. You want that bag, I'ma hit that trap in a week, I'll make
Trying to add a text to the image.
I make you nervous. Every time that I rap about hoes, I know that you hate those lyrics. I don't believe in love, but that doesn't mean I don't take you serious. I got commitment issues, but I'm trying to fix that for you. If I can't afford that bag that you want, then I will lick that for you. I wanna be there for you. I knew that the day I saw you. Too many times we argue, sorry for all of the names I called you. Should've never called you a bitch, but I did, now you're pissed trying to cut my clothes.
And when you're done typing your text, all you have to do is just to repeat that same process. Right click, rasterize the text, and then merge it down. That's all. Now I'm trying to add a drop shadow to the text, and then just to make the text stand out in the image.
I get a lot of dodo lately, and I get paid on the promo lately. A lot of fake love in the air, can't go nowhere on my solo lately. Me and her just argue daily, she knows that I trap, so her mouth don't rate me. When I don't text back, I ain't with a yap.
Right click on the text layer and rasterize the type, merge it down to the background layer.
I wanna be there for you. I knew that the day I saw you. Too many times we argue, sorry for all of the names I called you. Should've never called you a bitch, but I did, now you're pissed trying to cut my clothes. Should've deleted that text and you wouldn't have known that I fucked those hoes. Don't act like you care how I feel, don't act
it's
like you care
okay to me right now. All you have to do now is to just go on 3D and then click on spherical panorama and then click on export. That's all. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial.